Have you ever wondered what women actually want? The truth is, it's not as complicated as you think, bro. In this video, I'm going to break down the 8 key things women truly look for in a man. And trust me, it's not just about money, and it's not just about looks. A lot of people say, if you're rich or good looking, getting women is easy. But in reality, many successful, wealthy men still fail to maintain relationships. Why? Because attraction is only the beginning. It doesn't guarantee long-term connection. Even worse, if you choose the wrong woman, you might just end up being her walking ATM. That's why you need to understand what women truly want. So she's not just attracted to you, but actually values you and doesn't want to lose you. Let's get into it. 8. Listen. Don't try to fix everything. When a woman opens up to you, she doesn't always want solutions. She wants to be heard. As men, our instinct is to fix problems. But to her, that can feel like you're lecturing or interfering. Most of the time, she already understands her situation. So your role is simple: listen, understand, and only help if she asks. 7. Don't be judgmental. Many men rush to give opinions, but being too quick to judge can make her feel uncomfortable. Women appreciate men who listen, understand without judging. Sometimes what she needs is not your opinion, but a safe space to express herself. 6. Make her feel safe. Women naturally value emotional safety, and that comes from a man who is grounded, decisive, reliable. This isn't about being aggressive. It's about being someone who brings calm and stability into her life. When she feels safe with you, she'll feel comfortable and she won't want to lose you. 5. Keep your word. This is simple but powerful. If you say something, follow through. Women deeply value men who are consistent, reliable, trustworthy, because trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Number 4, make her feel special. Women love feeling special, not because of expensive gifts, but because of how you treat them. It can be small, thoughtful actions, personal moments, things only you two share, simple things, but they leave a strong impact. 3, avoid immature behavior. Don't play childish games, like replying late on purpose, acting cold just to seem cool. That's not attractive, that's immature. The key is balance. Show interest, but still have your own life. 2, respect her personal space. Everyone needs space. Don't be too clingy. Don't be overly dependent. If you're too attached, you'll push her away. Attractive men have their own life, goals, hobbies, social circle. 1, emotional control. This is the most important one. Women are attracted to men who stay calm, are emotionally stable, don't react impulsively. A man who controls himself is seen as mature, strong, high value. On the other hand, if you're overly emotional and easily triggered, you lose her respect. Conclusion. So bro, what women truly want is not just money or looks. They want a man who listens, doesn't judge, is reliable, has self-control. Master these traits and you won't just attract her, you'll become irreplaceable. All right, bro, those are the 8 things women truly want in a man. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay strong.